Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Disney Plus on your TCL TV in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a fan of Marvel, Star Wars, or Disney classics, getting Disney Plus on your TCL TV is super easy. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Accessing the TCL TV home screen. First things first, make sure your TCL TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Once it's ready, grab your TCL remote and let's get started. Step 2. Accessing the TCL channel store. Now, we need to access the TCL channel store to download Disney Plus. Step 3. Searching for Disney Plus. In the channel store, use the remote to search for Disney Plus. You can either type Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard or browse to the app section. Step 4. Installing Disney Plus. Once you've found Disney Plus, select it to open the app page. Here, you'll see the option to install the app. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Step 5. Launching Disney Plus. After installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the Disney Plus app. Click on Open to launch Disney Plus on your TCL TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. Disney Plus is now installed and ready to use on your TCL TV. Whether you're watching The Mandalorian or enjoying some classic Disney movies, you're all set to start streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.